Imagine this. You wake up one morning and find out that your job has been taken over by a machine that can do everything you can, but faster, cheaper, and better. How would you feel? What would you do? This is not a hypothetical scenario. This is the reality that millions of workers around the world are facing right now. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the way we work, and not always for the better. AI is an expansive phrase that refers to any system that can perform tasks that usually need human intellect, such as reasoning, understanding, decision-making, and problem-solving. It has been around for decades, but it has become more powerful and pervasive in recent years thanks to advances in computing, data, and algorithms. AI is now used in almost every industry and sector, from healthcare to education, from finance to entertainment, from agriculture to defense. AI can also perform tasks that humans cannot, such as processing huge amounts of data, recognizing patterns, and generating insights. AI can help us improve productivity, efficiency, quality, safety, and innovation. It can also help us solve some of the immense challenges facing humanity, such as climate change, poverty, and disease. But AI also poses significant risks and challenges for workers and society. AI can replace human workers in many tasks and jobs, especially those that are routine, repetitive, or low-skilled. AI can also change the nature of work, requiring workers to adapt to new skills, roles, and responsibilities. AI can also create new ethical, legal, and social issues such as bias, discrimination, privacy, security, accountability, and transparency. So how will the AI wave affect your work? How will you cope with the changes and opportunities that AI brings? How will you prepare yourself for the future of work in the age of AI? These are some of the questions that we will explore in this video. Are you ready to explore these topics with us? Let's get started. AI is not a single technology, but a collection of technologies that can perform different tasks across different domains. Some of these technologies include machine learning, the ability of a system to learn from data and make predictions or decisions; computer vision, the ability of a system to process and understand visual information, such as images or videos; natural language processing, the ability of a system to process and understand natural language, such as speech or text; speech recognition, the ability of a system to recognize and transcribe spoken words; natural language generation, the ability of a system to generate natural language, such as text or speech; machine translation, the ability of a system to translate one language into another; robotics, the ability of a system to control and manipulate physical objects, such as robots or drones; expert systems, the ability of a system to provide expert knowledge or advice on a specific domain, such as medicine or law. These technologies can be combined and applied in different ways to create various AI applications, such as chatbots, systems that can interact with humans using natural language such as Siri or Alexa; recommender systems, systems that can suggest products, services, or content based on user preferences such as Netflix or Amazon; facial recognition, systems that can identify and verify faces such as Face ID or Facebook; self-driving cars, systems that can drive vehicles autonomously, such as Tesla or Waymo; image generation, systems that can create realistic images based on text descriptions, such as DALL-E or StyleGAN. These AI applications can have different impacts on different types of work, depending on the nature and characteristics of the work. Some of the factors that influence the impact of AI on work include the level of routine, how predictable and repetitive the tasks are. AI is more likely to replace tasks that are routine, such as data entry or assembly line work. The level of complexity, how difficult and diverse the tasks are. AI is more likely to augment tasks that are complex, such as research or design work. The level of creativity, how original and innovative the tasks are. AI is more likely to inspire tasks that are creative, such as art or music work. The level of social interaction, how much the tasks involve human communication and collaboration. AI is more likely to assist in tasks that require social interaction, such as teaching or customer service work. Based on these factors, we can classify work into 4 categories: work that is likely to be replaced by AI, work that is routine, simple, and does not require much creativity or social interaction. Examples include clerical work, bookkeeping work, cashier work, telemarketing work, etc. Work that is likely to be augmented by AI, work that is complex diverse, and requires some creativity and social interaction. Examples include engineering work, medical work, legal work, management work, etc. Work that is likely to be inspired by AI. Work that is highly creative, original, and innovative. Examples include artistic work, musical work, literary work, scientific work, etc. Work that is likely to be assisted by AI. Work that involves a lot of human communication, collaboration, and empathy. Examples include teaching work, social work, counseling work, etc. Of course, these categories are not fixed or absolute, but rather relative and dynamic. Some tasks within a category may be more or less affected by AI than others, depending on the specific context and application. Moreover, these categories may change over time as AI evolves and improves its capabilities. To illustrate this point, let's look at some of the examples of how AI has impacted different types of work in recent years. One type of work that has been significantly affected by AI is clerical work. Clerical workers perform administrative tasks such as typing, filing, sorting, and copying documents. These tasks are often routine and simple and do not require much creativity or social interaction. Therefore, they are easy targets for automation by AI. For instance, AI can perform optical character recognition, OCR, which is the process of converting scanned prints of text into editable and searchable digital text. OCR can help clerical workers digitize paper documents faster and more accurately than manual typing. However, OCR can also eliminate the need for clerical workers altogether, as it can automate the entire process of document management. Another example of AI replacing clerical work is robotic press automation, RPA, which is the use of software, robots, to perform repetitive tasks across various applications and systems. RPA can help clerical workers streamline workflows and improve efficiency by automating tasks such as data entry, data extraction, data validation, and data transfer. However, RPA can also reduce the demand for clerical workers significantly, as it can replace human workers in many processes. According to a report by McKinsey & Company, AI could automate up to 51% of clerical activities in the US economy by 2030. This means that millions of clerical workers could lose their jobs or have their roles changed by AI in the near future. We have reached the end of this video, where we have discussed how AI affects different types of work, what skills are needed for the future of work, what are the challenges and opportunities of working with AI, and what are the strategies for adapting to the AI wave. We hope that you have learned something new and useful from this video, and that you have gained some insights and perspectives on how AI impacts your work and your career. But we also want to hear from you. How do you feel about AI and its impact on work? Do you think AI is a threat or an opportunity for workers? Do you think workers should embrace or resist AI? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. We would love to hear your opinions and experiences. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We have more videos on AI and other topics coming up soon, so stay tuned and don't miss out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.